What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the Bosma X1 Smart Hub camera. Now this is actually a little kit. They have 3 different kits. This is the one with the doorbell and the door and window detector. Now it's 1080p and it has 360-degree vision. It also has 145-degree wide angle, plus it has night vision. It has 2 different versions. They've got a Starlight, I think they're calling it Starlight Vision, which is night vision with color, and then they have the basic black and white night vision. It also has a passive infrared sensor, motion, and sound detection. It has a Siren alarm on it, which is 110 decibels. They've got a speaker on the bottom and I think a microphone on top, so you can do 2-way audio, which is really cool. Also, it can hold up to 125 gig micro SD card for storage. But it actually says a 1-minute setup. That's cool. All right, let's just open it up. Ooh, oh, that's way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, I like that already. Ooh, that's tiny. Look at that. It's made out of aluminum alloy. It feels very sturdy. Nice. What's going on there? You guys see that? See that discoloration? I'm not sure what that is. Is that a peel off? What's going on there? Okay, not really sure. I'm guessing this is some sort of sensor or something, but it was like dirty and it was coming off with my finger, and then I took a microfiber cloth and now it's all cloudy. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened with that. I like the packaging. We got the power adapter, USB to micro USB cable, so it is not fully modernized. It doesn't have USB Type-C, but it's about a 5.5 foot long cable. Then you get your USB plug for the power. Okay, now we've got our door sensor. Wow, this is tiny. No, this is the doorbell. Oh, what? It's just a big button. Then we have the door and window detector. Wow, that's tiny too. What was that? Some sort of spring or something in there. That's weird. Now both of these are adhesive, so you put one side on the door and the other side on the frame, and whenever they separate, it should send the signal to here, and then you should hear the alarm go off. Fingers crossed. It's cheap plastic. I mean, I think the money here is in the hub. I mean, that's aluminum alloy. These are just cheap plastic. Okay, so let's go ahead and power this thing up. All right, so we got a red light on the top.
System start up.
I need the instructions.
Wait for connecting.
Okay. All right, so here's the app. It's very simple. Device lists, you got snapshot, notifications. Let's add the device. Okay. Bosma X1. Oh, look at that. I've got all those. Fantastic. Sure. I want to say Bosma. I think it's Bosma. No device found.
System reset.
It is not saying it. Yeah. Align QR within the frame. Which QR? Is there one that I can use? Of course not. Is there something else I need to do? It's not pairing at all. I mean, it's right here. What do you mean? Please reset the camera and try again. All right, I'll do it again.
System reset.
Okay. Okay. What? I'm trying it again. I'm just gonna keep trying it, I guess. I mean, my Wi-Fi's on, my Bluetooth is on. I can't connect manually through Bluetooth, it won't let me.
System reset.
Reset. Try it again.
System start up.
You tell me when you're ready. You tell me when.
Wait for connecting.
Wait for connecting, okay? Try it again. Quick start guide, huh? Please reset the camera and retry. Again. That's like the 5th time. I'm sorry, what? Is there something I can do with this QR? I don't even know what this is for. Is there like a thing that I'm missing here? I don't know what the purpose of that feature right there, bloop, and then you go to a QR reader, and nowhere is there a QR. Okay, so while I've been sitting here, I actually looked up another video, and one of the first ones I came across, the dude was talking about how connecting to it initially was difficult and sluggish, but once it actually connected, it was fine. but I've tried like 6 times now and I'm getting 0 results. Here's the real. I would say pass. I mean, if it's not going to work after 30 minutes of tinkering with it, and it's supposed to be like plug and play basically, yeah, this is not what I would want. For me personally, and I'm just giving you my own opinion here, me personally, if it says anything along the lines of quick setup, simple and easy installation, it should be. And in this case, it's not, and it seems like I'm not the only one. I'm just saying, if I were to spend $120 on something, you know, the quality of this feels really great, but as soon as I got this, I'd say, why aren't you just throwing these in for free? This little piece of plastic. So, you know, not to seem too harsh, but I'm gonna pass. I'm passing. All right, guys, sorry I wasted your Saturday morning. I hope it gets better from here. I know mine must. Get out. I'll leave links down below if you're interested, but just get out of here. Done. I totally forgot to mention also, they provided a 20% off discount. So, here it is, if you'd like to use it. Goodbye. You know, I don't think there was any kind of, what do you call it? What do you call it? I don't think there was any kind of quality control here. You can get that for $100 and then for another, wow, that's really hot. Why is that so hot? Oh, okay. Now, I'm not an expert in anything. I'm just a guy at a table. I don't know, and now I'm just babbling. I'm done, getting out of here, done.